Will this shitting Peugeot ever move over into the correct lane? My name is Potato Camera. What's up, drivers? Welcome to Motorway Mondays, the most disjointed series on this whole channel. I'm your host, Dasham Clips. Now, we're not in the car today for this one because due to the recent storms, the audio would just be horrific. I've got a variety of clips to share with you in this one that took place between August and November last year. The first trip was to Eden Camp to donate some things for their exhibits from my dad's time in the Falklands.
Try and watch the bump.
The bump?
Yeah,
what bump?
I'm freaking coffee all over my face.
I can't hold the road surface.
I know not to drink it when you're turning the corner.
Good.
Yeah.
Just keep the lid on. That's what the lid's for.
I can't squeeze through that little hole.
Why?
Because I have it all over for some reason.
Were you having it all over anyway?
Then, at end of the road, turn left.
Oh, we've got some geese!
Which way are they going?
Right, well...
Oh, just let your frigging time, love.
Yeah.
Oh, there's a big got any babies with them?
They've got a younger one, but there they go. This way. Cool. Hi there.
Okay. Have you booked online?
We've got a donation to the museum.
Alright, okay. If you want to just pull in where the phone box is and then pop through the first door, they'll help you.
Okay. Thank you very much.
You look fantastic.
Mommy, for one of your smiles, something like that it is. I'm a bit mucky, aren't I? What?
As if that's cost you £8.
Bloody hell, we just got our asses kicked.
I also had two trips to Scarborough pretty close together. The first one was to donate the funds we received from my dad's funeral to the RNLI, and only the one dashcam clip was captured during this trip.
Road, then take the next
Where?
left.
Oh, this one, okay. God, that is a sharp left, isn't it?
Yeah.
After 280 yards, turn left onto Queensbridge, then take the next right.
Video protected.
Never been up this road before.
Gonna need first gear, I think.
During my second trip, I had an even more uneventful run, which, while it's bad for content, it actually makes a really nice change as it was a very relaxing drive. This time the visit to Scarborough was to once again meet up with Benji and friends. While everyone else walked, we decided to take a trip on the Central Tramway.
My God, we're going. Oh, here we go. Oh, this is exciting. They'll be at the top for like half an hour waiting for us, won't they?
Yeah. This is kind of the life. This is how to do Scarborough.
What, be lazy as fuck?
Yes. Because Scarborough's very hilly. Oh!
What if the thing failed now and we just slid all the way back down?
And we have to walk anyway.
Yeah.
But at least it would be free. You'd think.
That's not the point.
Oh, this feels rickety as hell. Oh, look at the view though.
You know, it's probably like over 100 years old.
So nearly as old as you then?
I'm going to slap you. I'm going to push you back down.
No, please. During this time period, I also met up with some DCH viewers. The first was James, Kate and their doggies, and second was Rachel and Daryl, who arranged a road trip jam-packed with activities, including meeting up with me for a meal and a night out. Their journey down to Hull had high stakes, however. In true Top Gear fashion, the loser of the race to Hull, Daryl in car and Rachel on the train, the loser had to buy the other one dinner that night.
What's up, drivers?
What's up, drivers?
So we've got a race. I'm at Corinne, going to start the race to Hull. This fanny's driving.
No, I'm driving to Hull.
Yeah.
That'll be fun.
So we'll see who gets to the hotel first. So I'm 3 trains. and it's 5 hours something.
And that can be anywhere between 4 hours and 50 minutes to 7 hours.
Or you might get a slow puncture in your tyre, you never know.
You could also get a train delay.
I suppose I.
Either way, I get peace and quiet.
But yes, that's it. Bye-bye.
Good luck losing.
Mission failed. We'll get them next time.
Here's some dashcam clips that they captured from their time in Yorkshire.
Introducing Lemmy and his sensational #1 debut smash, Wrong Way Down a One-Way Street.
It's a one-way street. Wrong way down a one-way.
Can't park there, mate.
What?
It's because this is the line for the thing.
I don't mind missing it.
No, I like things. Oh!
Oh, yeah. Funny.
On the day we met, Daryl wanted to try Nightmare Junction. Unfortunately, this is all that remains of the footage from him trying each lane and direction, but he managed it flawlessly. So much so that I sent them a little Xmas present in the post.
What's up, drivers? So when me and Daryl went down, we did Nightmare Junction. Well, he did Nightmare Junction. I was just passenger. But me being a big fan of Dashcam Hull, I got a wee present. So I survived Nightmare Junction and it's autographed. So happy with that.
If you'd like to get some Nightmare Junction merch yourself, the link is down in the description. We had a lot of fun throughout the day and night, and even opted for walking home over getting a taxi to properly soak in the sights, sounds, and odd smells of Hull. And on our walk back... Yeah, there's like another 3 up that way as well. There's a dude, look, where... Go on, poke your head out again. I think he might be in a bit of trouble, I'm not gonna lie. This is pretty bad, to be fair. I didn't expect to see this on the way home.
Are you glad we walked now?
Yeah.
No. I mean, to think we wanted a fucking taxi. That's incredible.
Well, they ask him what he's doing. What's in your boots, sonny? Is it loads of cocaine? I reckon it might be. My final road trip from this video was to London's ComicCon, which was a lot more eventful than the entire last few months put together.
Speed up and get on with your overtake. You're going to sit blocking the second lane for the sake of it.
Seems like the latter.
And now he's undertaking him.
We're blocked in. Sicker, more like fucking beta.
Beta! How was the French cars with the lane discipline of a cabbage? What do you reckon? Do we round the world or undertake?
It's every job.
Chef.
I think it's us there.
Everyone moves across like it's the fucking last chance they'll get in their lives.
Yeah.
But you've got another... well, at least a mile.
There's definitely some crazy manoeuvres.
Oh, shit in hell.
What the fuck? What was that? What was that? Why was that necessary?
It wasn't. Just turn the music down so I can see better. Yep. About right.
On the final stretch towards London, traffic began to become more and more mental as no one knew which lane to use. Drivers started randomly swinging across lanes and changing their minds, before this next genius decided it was a great idea to suddenly start driving over hatched markings on a blind bend with traffic behind her. And despite my use of the horn and the fact there was a car in the lane next to me so I had pretty much nowhere to go, she still just brainlessly continued driving at me. She then comes and sits behind me at the next set of lights, and I can see her flapping her arms around like Donkey Kong's just been hit by a banana in bloody Mario Kart.
Don't you dare! Don't you dare!
Oh, you fucking...
Now that was a good use of the horn.
Idiot. What happened?
That was a good use of the
That
horn.
woman pulled out right in front of him at the last possible moment, like
Yes,
crossing the white lines.
Yes, we did.
Fucking idiot. I don't usually get worked up about that. That was fucking awful driving.
Yeah, it was.
Fuck you. Hi mate.
So you're going to the XL?
Yeah.
If you go slight left here,
Yep.
and then turn right at the end, my colleague's there to show you where to park.
Okay, thank you.
You go right over there, my colleague will tell you where to park. Okay. Well, thank you, my good man. I will do that. I will speak to your colleague and I will find where to park. Thank you. Okay.
I've never had to wait for a Tory boat before.
I can't say that I'm in too much of a hurry to return to Comic-Con, as the sheer overcrowding made everything literally impossible, from browsing stalls to getting food, heck, even just walking around. Thankfully, they had implemented a place called the Reset Room, which was tailored towards the neurodiverse to escape from the crowds in a nice, quiet, safe place with a private toilet and water fountains. However, this Reset Room was located at the exact opposite end of the convention to where you come in. And I was already freaking out from the noise and sheer volume of people while just making the 5-mile bloody trek that it takes to even get in. And now I have to walk across the entire overcrowded venue to get to the Reset Room, which was the first thing I planned to do once getting there. Come on, man. Sorry. Oh, fuck this. As it turned out, even the Reset Room became overcrowded by the end of the event, meaning that most of the time I was actually just sat on the floor up against a wall, and the water fountains were run completely dry hours before the event ended. I enjoyed London Comic-Con and the road trip for what it's worth, and it was a definite serious tough test for my ADHD medication and the autism techniques that I've been developing over the previous year.
Confusion.
Where'd you come from? Must have been in my blind spot like the whole time. It's a good thing I fucking checked my blind spot, innit?
Yeah.
Right, got a tricky situation here because I want to move out because of this truck. I'll tell you what, should we try and teach a driver, right? So we'll come to the second lane, we'll come to the third lane, we'll come to the fourth lane.
Wow. So many lanes.
And we'll speed up a little just to get past them. I'm going to show them how to drive. Just wait until they're behind me. And 1, 2, and 3. Did it teach them? Nope, they're just still sat there happily plodding along. Third lane, they don't care in the world.
Should be taking notes, shouldn't they?
That's what I mean. Sometimes when I do that, they actually think, "Oh yeah, that's what I meant to do, isn't it?
I can do that."
Okay. And then they move over, but nah, not this time.
Wow.
Oh no, no, that's like the worst possible thing that could have happened right now. No, no, no.
Do you want to stop somewhere?
Kind of can't. It's a dual carriageway.
Do you know what? Google was...
She was holding me back. I know where I'm going.
She was sending us astray, wasn't she?
Imagine if it like landed down there and got stuck under my brake pedal. Humber Bridge this way. Cool.
Yeah.
We'll do this with road signs now, like they used to back in my parents' day.
We decided to refurbish the Hedgehog House, clean it up a little bit, put some fresh straw and food and water in it. And on the first night, we got a hit on the trail cam, although the visitor wasn't exactly who we were expecting. After noticing the hedgehog searching for food closer to the house, we decided to accommodate him there instead. However, as it turns out, hedgehogs and foxes aren't the only creatures that enjoy hedgehog biscuits. It kind of broke our hearts watching him search for the food that the cat had eaten earlier in the night. But that's all we have time for today. If you enjoyed watching, please give it a like, please hit subscribe, check all the links in the description, there's a bunch of money off for dash cams if you're in the market for one, and hopefully I'll see you next time when I need rescuing in Wales. Peace!
It all helps.
You are a nutter.